Hey, you look a bit quiet today.
Yeah, I've been thinking a lot.
About something specific?
Mostly about my future.
That sounds serious.
It kind of is.
Do you feel worried?
A little, maybe more than usual.
What is bothering you most?
I feel like I am not improving.
Improving in what way?
My skills, my confidence, everything.
That sounds frustrating.
Yes, it really is.
I have felt that too.
Really? You seem confident.
I was not always like this.
What changed for you?
I started small habits daily.
Small habits? Like what?
Simple things like reading daily.
That sounds easy.
It is simple but powerful.
I think I overcomplicate things.
Most people do that
I always plan too much.
and then feel overwhelmed.
Exactly. Every single time.
Maybe you need simpler plans.
I think you are right.
What is one thing you want?
I want better speaking skills.
That is a great goal.
But I feel shy sometimes.
Shyness is very common.
I worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I know that, but still.
It feels uncomfortable, right?
Yes, very uncomfortable.
Let me tell you something.
I am listening.
Nobody speaks perfectly at first.
That makes sense.
Even confident speakers started small.
I forget that sometimes.
You only see their final stage.
Not their early struggles.
Exactly.
That changes my perspective.
Good, that is important.
So, how should I start?
Start with daily speaking practice.
Alone or with people?
Both can help.
I feel safer alone.
Then begin alone.
What should I say?
Talk about your day.
That sounds simple enough.
Describe what you did.
Like a daily story?
Yes, exactly like that.
I think I can do that.
Keep it short and clear.
How long should I practice?
Start with 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, consistency matters more.
That feels less scary.
That is the idea.
I like this approach.
Also, listen to simple conversations.
Like videos.
Yes, beginner-friendly videos.
That helps with understanding.
And improves your listening skills.
I need that too.
Speaking and listening go together.
That makes sense.
Do you practice regularly?
Not really, only sometimes.
That might be the problem.
Yeah, I think so.
Daily practice creates progress,
Even if it is small?
especially if it is small.
That feels encouraging.
You just need consistency.
I will try starting today.
That is a great decision.
I feel a bit motivated now.
Motivation comes and goes.
Then what stays?
Habits stay.
That is powerful.
Build habits, not just motivation.
I like that idea.
It changes everything.
I believe you.
Also, be kind to yourself.
I am usually very strict.
That can slow you down.
I did not think about that.
Growth needs patience.
I need to learn patience.
You will, step by step.
I feel calmer now.
That is good to hear.
Talking really helps.
It always does.
I should do this more often.
Yes, talk and reflect.
Reflect on what exactly?
Your progress and feelings.
That sounds helpful.
It builds awareness.
I think I need that.
We all do sometimes.
Thank you for guiding me.
I am happy to help.
I feel less confused now.
That is a good sign.
Maybe I was overthinking again.
That happens often.
How do you stop overthinking?
I focus on action.
Action instead of thinking?
Yes, small action reduces fear.
That sounds very true.
Thinking too much creates pressure.
And action creates progress.
Exactly.
I want to follow this mindset.
You can start right now.
Right now?
Yes, with one small step.
What should I do first?
Start with a simple sentence.
Right now?
Yes, just say anything.
Okay, I will try.
No pressure, just speak.
Today was a busy day.
That was clear and good.
Really? It felt basic.
Basic is perfect for learning.
That makes me feel better.
Now add one more detail.
I had many tasks at work.
Great, keep going slowly.
I felt a little stressed.
That sounds natural.
This is easier than I thought.
Because you are doing it.
I was overthinking before.
Yes, action makes it simple.
I feel more relaxed now.
That is the goal.
Should I do this daily?
Yes, every single day.
Even when I feel tired?
Especially when you feel tired.
That sounds challenging.
Just keep it very short.
Maybe 2 or 3 sentences?
That is enough.
I can manage that.
Consistency builds confidence.
I understand that now.
Also, record your voice.
That feels uncomfortable.
It helps you improve faster.
What should I listen for?
Your pronunciation and clarity.
I think that will help.
It really will.
I want to sound natural.
You will get there.
How long does it take?
It depends on your practice.
So, no fixed timeline?
No, everyone learns differently.
That removes some pressure.
Good. Learning should feel calm.
I like that idea.
Also, try speaking with others.
That still makes me nervous.
Start with someone you trust.
Like you?
Yes, we can practice together.
That would help a lot.
We can keep it simple.
Short daily conversations?
Exactly, just like this.
I feel more confident already.
That is real progress.
It feels small but important.
Small steps create big change.
I will remember that.
Also, celebrate your effort.
I usually ignore it.
You should not ignore it.
Why is it important?
It keeps you motivated.
That makes sense.
Confidence grows with recognition.
I never thought about that.
Now you know.
I feel more aware.
Awareness helps growth.
I feel less afraid now.
Fear reduces with action.
That is true.
So, what will you do tomorrow?
I will practice speaking daily.
How long will you practice?
At least 5 minutes.
That is a strong plan.
I will also listen more.
Good. Balance both skills.
And I will record myself.
Excellent idea.
I feel ready to start.
That is the best feeling.
Thank you for helping me.
You helped yourself today.
Maybe both are true.
Yes, we worked together.
I feel proud of this.
You should feel proud.
This conversation changed my mindset.
That is powerful.
I will not overthink anymore.
Just focus on action.
Yes, simple daily action.
That is the key.
I feel calm and clear.
That is a great place.
I am ready for tomorrow.
Tomorrow is your new start.
Yes, I will begin fresh.
And keep going daily.
I will not stop this time.
That mindset will help you.
I finally believe in myself.
That changes everything.
Let us keep practicing together.
Yes, we will stay consistent.
I'm excited for this journey.
It will be worth it.
I know it will.
Let's start today.
Yes, right now.